Alright, in this video I'm unboxing the lens that's in this box right here. Now this lens, I actually own two other copies of. They're up there. I'm not going to show you right now. I'm not going to show you what lens it is yet. But this is, as of right now, my favorite lens to use. I use this lens literally every chance that I get, and I absolutely love it every time I use it. I love the look it gives. I love the shots that come out of it every time I record some sort of video with it. It is just an absolutely amazing lens. So let's get it unboxed and I'll tell you what it is and kind of talk about it a little bit. Okay, so let's open up on the side here. So I just got this in from eBay and I paid $180 something, like $187 or something for this lens. I won it on auction. After shipping and taxes and stuff though, it ended up being like $215, I believe. So that's not bad for a lens, especially for a zoom lens, which this is. A standard focal length zoom lens. That's not a bad price. But let's get this out of here. There it is. It's the lens right there. Lots of packaging, but there shouldn't be anything else in there. Definitely packaged good, that's a good sign. Now the listing wasn't super clear about this lens, about the condition of it or usability. I don't believe the seller on eBay was like a camera related seller. It was like an antique shop or something like that, or like a vintage shop. And this is a vintage lens, so it fits with that, but I don't think they were super well versed on camera gear because it pretty much just said it looks to be in good condition, like that sort of thing. I don't think it was actually tested on a camera. Just kind of by the terminology they use, that's kind of what I figure, but of course I'm not 100% sure. But like I said, this is a vintage lens, a vintage zoom lens. Now, I have talked about this lens before on my other channel, so you might start to connect the dots, but I'm just trying to get this tape cut without cutting the lens out on accident. There we go. Alright. Let's unroll this thing. Here it is. The lens reveal. Oh, that came off. Alright, lens reveal. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Now you might recognize this, or you might not. I'm not 100% sure. Guess it depends, you know, if you've seen my video about this on my other channel. But this is the Tokina 28 to 70mm f2.6 to f2.8 vintage zoom lens. So I'm gonna link the video on my main channel that I made about this lens. I have footage in there. I have, you know, a lot of more information about it in that video. I'm gonna link that video down in the description. I definitely recommend checking that out because this is seriously one of my favorite lenses. This is right now. This is my favorite lens that I'm currently using. Now this one actually came with a circular polarizer, which feels pretty nice. It's a Tiffin polarizer. But either way, so this is 28 to 70mm. It's a standard focal range, but it actually has an Angenieux design. And if you don't know Angenieux, it's a really high-end lens company. They make cinema lenses, and they used to make more photography-based lenses, which is what this is based off of. Again, watch the video I'm gonna link in the description if you really want to learn more about it. It has a crazy backstory. But yeah, this lens, overall, there's nothing super special, super crazy about it. It's not insanely sharp. It's actually very soft. It has that really extreme vintage feel to it, almost like there's a Pro Mist filter on it, which is the reason I personally absolutely love this for, you know, just getting those really dreamy, kind of softer, but more like cinematic, smooth looking videos and photos out of it. And that is what I've been using my other copies for. I mean, well, I don't want to grab them right now, but I do have 2 more copies, and if you asked me a few days ago, I would have had another copy on top of that. So I don't know why I keep collecting these. They're just, I don't know, it's just such an awesome lens. But either way, this one looks to be in pretty good condition. There's a little dent on the filter in there. I don't think you can see that, but just a little dent there and a little scuff. And besides that, this one's in pretty good condition. So yeah, ooh, it's got a lot of dust on it though. Definitely gonna need to clean it off. It's got some fingerprints. But besides that, I'm super excited to have another one of these added to my collection. And you should definitely look into it. But yeah, that's it for this quick little unboxing video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, go down to the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.